Welcome to our review of the 2025 Tesla Model Y pickup, Tesla's all-electric entry into the pickup truck market. With cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and remarkable performance, this vehicle is set to revolutionize the truck industry. Let's dive into its exterior, performance, interior, safety features, and pricing. Exterior. The 2025 Tesla Model Y pickup has a futuristic design that merges utility with elegance. Its aerodynamic lines give it a modern appearance, while the distinctive Tesla front grille and slim LED headlights maintain the brand's signature look. The pickup bed offers ample storage, designed with durable materials to handle heavy loads, yet sleek enough for city driving. With alloy wheels, retractable door handles, and a low profile for better efficiency, this truck is all about form meeting function. Performance. Tesla's performance is unmatched in the electric vehicle space, and the Model Y pickup is no different. With dual-motor all-wheel drive, it provides excellent traction on all terrains. The acceleration is impressive, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest pickups in the market. Its powerful electric motors ensure high towing capacity without sacrificing efficiency. Plus, with Tesla's latest battery technology, the pickup can travel up to 350 miles on a single charge. The regenerative braking system further extends range and efficiency. Interior. Inside, the Model Y pickup features Tesla's signature minimalist interior, featuring a spacious cabin with premium materials. The 15-inch central touchscreen remains the command center for all vehicle controls, from navigation to climate control. The seats are designed for comfort on long drives, with ample legroom both in the front and rear. The panoramic glass roof offers a sense of openness, while advanced air filtration ensures a clean and healthy environment inside. It's also packed with features like wireless charging, heated seats, and a premium sound system for the ultimate driving experience. Safety features. Safety is at the heart of every Tesla, and the Model Y pickup is no exception. It comes with Tesla's advanced autopilot system, which provides semi-autonomous driving capabilities. With features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, the vehicle is designed to prevent accidents. The all-electric powertrain also allows for a low center of gravity, enhancing the vehicle's stability. The Model Y pickup has a 5-star safety rating, with reinforced steel for crash protection and a suite of airbags to protect every occupant. Prices. The starting price for the 2025 Tesla Model Y pickup is around $58,000, making it competitively priced within the electric truck market. Higher-end models, equipped with longer range and additional features, can go up to $75,000. Tesla's financing and leasing options, combined with federal and state incentives for electric vehicles, can help lower the overall cost for buyers. The 2025 Tesla Model Y pickup combines the best of Tesla's electric innovation with the utility of a pickup truck. It's perfect for those who want a workhorse vehicle without compromising on technology, design, or sustainability. Ready to experience the future of pickups? Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.